Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Robinhood stop recognizing Face ID on your iPhone and now makes you type your full login details every time? The fix is in your iPhone settings, under a minute, no login needed. So, first go to your settings on your iPhone and then search for Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when it's prompted. Now, scroll down on the screen to the section called Other Apps. This shows every app currently allowed to use Face ID on your device. Scroll to the list and then find Robinhood. If the toggle next to Robinhood is grey and switched off, tap it to turn it on. If it is still already green but the Face ID is not working in Robinhood, then tap it to turn off and tap it to turn back on again to fully reset the permission. Then, after changing the toggle, swipe up from your bottom of your screen and then swipe Robinhood app away from your recent apps to completely close it and reopen the app once you've closed it. Face ID should prompt you automatically. If Robinhood does not appear in the Face ID list at all, go to your settings app, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, then scroll down until you see Robinhood in the list of apps. Once you see it, tap on it and then click Offload app. Now, after you offload it, go to your app store, search for Robinhood app and reinstall it. A fresh install will ask for Face ID permission in the first launch. So, all you gotta do is go to settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode, find Robinhood in the list, toggle it on. Face ID will be working in the Robinhood app again. Subscribe for more trading app fixes.